Access to cloud EPM service environments is determined by predefined functional roles assigned to a user or group. All Oracle Cloud Enterprise Performance Management services other than Oracle Enterprise Data Management Cloud use a common set of 4 predefined functional roles to control access to instances. Service Administrator, Power User, User, and Viewer. Predefined functional roles link users and groups to the business activities they are permitted to perform within an environment and the data that they can access. Users and groups must be assigned to predefined roles that grant them access to business functions and associated data. For example, service administrators perform administrative and functional activities such as managing users and their roles, configuring single sign-on, and setting up network-restricted access. While power users can view and interact with data, as well as create and maintain forms, ad hoc grids, and reports. Application roles enhance the access rights of users beyond the predefined roles assigned to them. While the overall access rights are controlled by the predefined roles, service administrators or users assigned with the Access Control Manage Application role can grant application-specific roles and data grants to users and to groups created and managed in Access Control. For a complete list of application roles, see the Managing Role Assignments at the application level topic in the Administering Access Control Guide. By default, a user does not have the right to configure and manage Intelligent Performance Management IPM jobs, including Insights, Auto Predict, and Advanced Predictions, which is granted only to service administrators. If you take a look at the IPM cluster on the home page, Beth has an Insights card but does not have a Configure card within IPM. Beth cannot configure and manage IPM jobs. Within Enterprise EPM for Planning and Free Form, you can assign the IPM Manage Application role to provide this access. Service administrators can assign the IPM Manage Application role to enable the user to perform IPM-related activities. You assign application roles on the Manage Application Roles tab. You select Manage Roles. You select IPM Manage and assign the application role to the user. Notice that after the IPM Manage role was assigned to this user, in addition to the Insights card in the IPM cluster, this user now also has the Configure card. Keep in mind that users assigned the IPM Manage role can view, edit, and manage only the jobs they have created, cannot view or manage jobs created by other users, can create jobs for members they have access to as member-level security is honored. You can also assign the IPM Manage role to a group. On the Manage Application Roles tab, for a group, select Manage Roles. Locate and assign the IPM Manage role to the group. After assigning the IPM Manage role to the group, all users who are members of the group are able to configure and manage Intelligent Performance Management jobs, including Insights, Auto Predict, and Advanced Predictions. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.